Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine again, and I'm back, and today I'm going to install something that I think should actually come with a Model Y. Why it doesn't come with it, I don't know. Today I'm going to install some mud flaps on my car. That car. You see Sophia back there posing a little bit. Anyways, let's get started there. These mud flaps are from Tesery. The link will be down below, but let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, took everything out of the box. Looks like they're going to give me a little pry tool. We're going to use this. We got the mud flaps here for the front. We also have our attachments, our little clips that we're going to be using, and then these are the rear mud flaps. So let's go ahead and get started. We're starting the rear first. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to remove these two little clips right here, right in that area. We're going to take out both of them. And then we're going to make sure we put on, I'm on the left-hand side wheel. If you look here on the back, it says rear left. So this one here will simply go right here in that place. You got that little lip right here, that hook. That's going to go over this area right here, just like that, and install it. So let's go ahead and get started. Like that, remove that one, come in here, remove that one, bring this one, line up to the little hook right there, push that in, then push that the rest of the way in, take our next one, push it in, and now it's installed. Pretty simple. Here's our two new clips that are in there, and we got our hook behind it, and now it's installed. Looks good. Let's go do the other side. Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to do my front, and I turned my left wheel to the left so I can get in here a little bit easier to get to these clips. We're just simply going to remove those, and it gets installed the same way. We got our front left. It's going to go just like this. Get that little lip on there and install them right there. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. And it's installed just like that. Pretty simple. Let's do the last one. Don't seem to stick out too far. Seems to look pretty good. Easy installation. All right, so that's it. They were pretty easy to install. They're from Tesery. And Sophia, what are mud flaps for again?
They're for to not let mud splash on your car.
Yeah, because sometimes when you're driving through mud and dirt and sand and stuff like that, and your tires will be spinning, and they're going to throw stuff up onto the side of your car, and you don't want it damaging your paint and stuff on your car, so you need to put some mud flaps on there, right? Right. Okay, well, anyways, guys, if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, right? And anyways, guys, be safe out there, have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Check you later. Bye.